Value of electrical potential at a point distance of 9 cm from the point charge is. So very simple question. We have to find the voltage. Voltage का formula क्या होगा? A Q by R. Here the value of K, proportionality constant, 9 10 to the power 9 into Q, that is 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 divided by R is 9 10. So here 9 cancel out, 4 is there, so 10 to the power minus by 4, 10 to the power 4 volts. Option 4 is correct. In this question, a conducting sphere of radius r charged here, then the electrical field at a distance of r is more than this. Means here हम बाहर की बात, that this is the radius of the sphere having charge suppose q at a distance from the center r which is greater than r, means outside. V voltage K or 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. This is the voltage at the surface. जिस surface पे voltage होगा वही inside होगा every point. So at the center also the same voltage. Now electrical field outside at distance R, that is K 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square. Now from this Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught numerical value हो जाएगी V into R. Now we put the value of this in this equation, that is V R upon R square. This is the answer of electrical field. So option here is 3. Question is the certain voltage at axial position due to dipole cos 0 is 1. So Kp upon R square for short dipole. K means 9 10 to the power 9. P is 4 into 10 to the power minus 6. R means 2 meter square. So this will be cancelled out. 9 into 10 to the power 3. This is the voltage. Maybe plus, maybe minus. Plus for 0 degree, minus for 180 degree voltage. So this is correct. Means assertion is correct. Assertion is correct. Now reason. V is equal to what? Plus minus 2p upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square. This is wrong, because this is 2p cos theta. This is not for this cell position. So this is wrong. N is wrong. So option 3 is correct. All the charge resides on the outer surface only. No volt charge is inside. So electrical field inside is 0, but voltage inside is same as on the surface. So voltage on the surface and voltage inside at any point same. So same for center also. Means if voltage on the surface and voltage at the center is same, so what is the voltage difference? That must be 0. So option 4 is correct. In this question, two conducting spheres of radius r1 and r2 In this question, R1 is more than R2. R2 spheres having equal charge Q on both. The potential would be, very simple question. Potential का formula KQ by R1 and here KQ by R2 है. चार्ज सेम है, दोनों में चार्ज सेम है, रेडियस का फर्क है. रेडियस इसका ज़्यादा होगा, वोल्टेज कम हो जाएगा. तो वोल्टेज 1 V1 is less than V2. So more on their second one, radius is smaller. Means option 2 is correct. Equipotential means voltage same everywhere. Voltage difference must be 0. Same होगा तो difference 0 ही होगा. Then work done will be equal to change in voltage, that is also 0. If work done is 0, electrical field must be perpendicular to the surface. The surface is very important property, and voltage more at sharp point, electrical field more sharp point. Voltage remains the same. Equipotential का होगा voltage same everywhere, but electrical field is more on sharp points. फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे है is सिग्मा on एप्सिलॉन नॉट क्यू अपन एरिया. ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एरिया के रेसिप्रोकल है. यहाँ पे पूछ रहा है ये वाली चीज, इलेक्ट्रिकल फील्ड परपेंडिकुलर टू पोटेंशियल सरफेस एवरीवेयर. So here theta is 90 degree. Option 3 is correct. In this question, an electrical dipole with dipole moment P equal to 5 into 10 to the minus 6 kilometer aligned with the direction of uniform electrical field. Say this is the electrical field. 4 into 10 to the 5 Newton per coulomb. P is aligned. It means P also in the same direction of electrical field. Theta is equal to 0 degree. This is called stable equilibrium. Stable equilibrium. Now from this position हमने इसको 60 डिग्री रोटेट कर दिया, तो थीटा 1 is 0 degree and theta 2 is 60 degree with electrical field. Change in potential energy. So potential energy will be minus E cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. ये वाला फॉर्मूला होता है. पुट करना है P. P मीन्स 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. E means 4 into 10 to the power 5. Cos theta 2 means cos 60 minus cos 0. It is 5 4 ja 20. 10 to the power minus 1. Cos 60 means this half minus 1. So minus 1. प्लस हो जाएगा हाफ, 10 रह जाएगा ये. 10 पर माइनस 1 मीन्स सॉल्व करने के बाद क्या आएगा 1 जूल. तो ऑप्शन 4. इन दिस क्वेश्चन कैपेसिटेंस इक्वल टू Q अपॉन V. Q अपॉन V एंड कैपेसिटेंस का फाइनल फॉर्मूला मिलता है हमको एप्सिलॉन नॉट A अपॉन D. Where A is the area of cross section, and is the gap between the plates. It depends on the geometry or physical parameters. So capacitance depends on area and the gap, geometry of the capacitor. Option 2 is correct. Hello. In this question, one capacitor having A is the area of cross section, A is the subtractive. Here, in this portion of 3D by 8, K1 dielectric constant, this material is filled. And in d by 2 distance, different material of having K2 dielectric constant field. In d by 8 distance, air is there. So there are three capacitors C1, C2 and C3 are in series. So effective capacitance can be written, formula here is 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. And C1 means K1 epsilon A, and d by 8, d by 8 distance in air 1 upon epsilon naught A d by 8 distance, and the last portion 1 upon K2 epsilon naught A d by 2 distance. ऊपर चला जाएगा 3d by 8 upon K1 epsilon naught A d by 8 epsilon naught A and d by 2 distance here K2 epsilon naught A, taken common d upon epsilon naught A will be 3 by 8 of K1 and 1 by 8 here, 1 by 2 K2 plus d by epsilon naught A common. Question K1 given 1.25 K2. So K2 will be K1 upon 1.25. Here d for epsilon naught A 3 by 8 K1 1 by 8. This is 2 K1 and ये ऊपर चला जाएगा 1.5. We take the LCM here 3 K1 8 K1 3 K1 जाएगा 5. And active capacitance is 1 double of the original not A upon T. You put the value here and will become 1 upon 2 not A अपन डी ऊपर चला जाएगा सर डी अपन एप्सिलॉन नॉट ए कैंसिल कर दिया, कॉमन ले लिया, तो 1 K1 प्लस 8 1 K1 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई K1 इक्वल टू K1 प्लस 8, so 3 K1 will be 8 and K1 will be 8 by 3 or 2. Here option question capacitance 2 all are 2 microfarad. So Wheatstone with balance condition is there, E by Q is equal to R by S. So the central capacitance 2 microfarad is removed. So using the Wheatstone with balance condition, this is the modified circuit, and these two are in series. These two and these two are in series. Series में हो जाता है half. So it will become 1 microfarad, also 1 microfarad, parallel C1 plus C2. So C AB captive capacitance will be 1 plus 1 means 2 microfarad. Your option 1 is correct. In this question, here we have drawn 15 and this 15 and this 15 all are in series. So this circuit modified here like this. So 15, 15, 15 it will become 5 using the reciprocal formula here. 1/3 रह जाएगा and these two are in parallel. So here captive capacitance will become parallel due to the parallel C1 plus C2. It will become 20 microfarad. Option here is, in this question, these 3 and 3 are in parallel, will become 6 C1 plus C2, and 3 and 6 are in series. So we can use the formula of series, either reciprocal or this C1 C2 C1 2 upon C1 plus C2 plus 6. So this cancel out, will become 18 upon 9 2 and 1 minus 6 or microfarad. Option here is 3. So in this question, 12 picofarad is charged by the 50-volt battery. So the energy stored here is half E square CB 12 picofarad multiplied by square, become 5 5 25 6 150 at 1 minus 12. So here we get cancel कर दिया हमने पर 9 joules or 15 nano. The energy stored here is 15 nanojoules. Option here is, in terms of nanojoules, it's 15. So option correct is 1. In this question, capacitor C charged by the battery B, the voltage. So here, if we decrease the gap for the question, the plates are coming closer. So C decreases by the formula. C increases as battery connected, as battery connected. So voltage remains the same. Charge Q is equal to C. The voltage is same, but capacitance increases. Charge stored also increases. So now energy, potential energy stored. Formula here is half CV square, which same increases. The potential energy stored also change. Now ratios of charge to potential, P is constant, Q is this charge by capacitance increases. So D option is wrong. And energy stored in decreases, here increases. So B option is also wrong. But here A, charge stored in increases, so it's correct. Capacitance increases, so also correct. What about E? Charge to voltage. This product, charge and voltage remains the same, but Q increases. So this product is also increases. It means is correct. A, C, D all are correct. So option 2 is in this question. One capacitor is connected after charging with another uncharged capacitors. So here energy loss formula is C1 C2 1 minus V2 whole square upon 2 C1 plus C2. By the way, C1 C2 they are equal to 9 farad. So C1 C2 they are equal is 100 minus V2 uncharged, so square 2 C1 plus C2 means here C 100 into 100 1 into 2 cancel out, taking the value of C 900 farad, and it say 4 9 by 4, that is 9 by 4 2.5 0.25 to 10 to the minus 6. So here energy stored is sun